Want to play Roblox on your iPhone? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to install and play Roblox Mobile on your iPhone. So, let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. Once the App Store opens, tap on the Search tab at the bottom of the screen. Now, type Roblox into the search bar and tap the search button. From the search results, find the official Roblox app and tap on the Get button to start downloading it. If prompted, confirm the download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Wait for the app to finish downloading and installing on your iPhone. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch Roblox. Now, sign in with your Roblox account. If you don't have an account yet, tap on Create Account and create a new one. After logging in, you can browse different games, experiences, and categories from the home screen. To play a game, simply tap on any game you like, then tap the play button. The game will load and you can start playing directly on your iPhone. You can also add friends, chat with other players, customize your avatar, and explore millions of games on Roblox. And that's it. That's how to install and play Roblox Mobile on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.